So here's the Holiday Inn ramp elevator. Over here are some Dovers. These are the Holiday Center Skywalk elevators. So let's ride these. Two of them. That's Adam's Place for traditional. Which one will it be? I think that one might be broken. Because it looks like it's here. Yeah, this one's here. Should open. There we go. Ooh. Let's go to 4. Adam's Place for traditional. Yeah, that one's probably broken. This is cool. There's no indicator. Here at 4. These are installed by Lagerquist. Let's go 2. Here's your COP, 3,000 pound capacity. All these buttons were replaced with Adam's Place for traditional. Oh, that's original. Dover traditional. It's a very cool cab. It has a weird shape. It's like a triangle. Here are 2. We'll take it on one more ride. Ooh, look at those sensors. Physical door sensors too. See that? Door starts closed. Those aren't gonna work. Whatever, here we go. Here at 4. It's really cool you can see in the shop. There's some switches there. Let's go back to 2. It's a very cool elevator. I think the other one is broken. You can see the top of it. Now we can try to ride it really quick. Here are 2. Takes a minute 12 because the level's so high. Start something modern. Yeah, this one appears to be very broken. Yeah. Either that, the controller's just stupid. I think it's broken. But anyway, that'll be it then.